Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in infamy. The United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan.
I was 18 years old when the attack on Pearl Harbor happened. I knew they violated our country. I knew every one of them bastards had to die. Earning the title of a U.S. Marine was an honor every recruit drove for.
Your soul may belong to Jesus, but your ass belongs to the Marines! Now! Up! Is that the best you can do? I didn't know they allowed Girl Scouts in the Marines! Down! Up! My fat old wife could do it better than you! Go back to making Barbie clothes, you frickin' pageant queen! Left! 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 Right! Left! What you smiling at, you four-eyed looking crackhead? Left! Left! What the goddamn smile on your face? I'm a better shoot a look trap! Hey, hey! Hey, hey! You ain't built like a real man! Your mama dressed you! Put that rifle in my hand! Put that rifle in my hand! Robin! Who taught you to shoot? Your wife did, sir! You go! You son of a you down! Down! Up!
Fresh out of boot camp, my brothers in arms and I had no clue what would die in us on the sands of Iwo Jima.
Tell my wife to stay away from the fishing stuff.
I got it.
Sniper!
Second floor window.
I gotta get him!
I don't got no pulse!